Meaning of First Nations.
First Nations.
First Nations.
First Nations.
First Nations. First Nations refers to the Indigenous peoples of Canada who are not Inuit or Métis. The term recognizes the unique cultures, languages, and histories of these communities, which existed long before European colonization. First Nations peoples have a special legal status in Canada, and their treaty rights are protected by the Canadian Constitution. Despite centuries of colonialism and attempted assimilation, many First Nations communities continue to assert their sovereignty and work towards self-determination. The term First Nations reflects a commitment to reconciliation and decolonization in Canada.